Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to secure your Twitter account with additional password protection. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Security and Account Access. On this page, click on Security option. Under Additional Password Protection Settings, check the box next to Password Reset Protect. Enter your password to proceed. Click Save. That's it. Additional password protection is enabled on your Twitter account. This is how you can secure your Twitter account with additional password protection. Thank you for watching.